Welcome to Little Art's Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. So hey guys, welcome to Little Art's Barbecue. Hey, I picked this up for $10 at a flea market. Not really quite sure what it was. I'm going to try to do a cast iron restoration on it, see what happens. 5-gallon bucket here. I got a piece of steel clamped to the side of the bucket, and I'm going to do a dry fit with the Dutch oven to make sure that after it's submerged that the Dutch oven and the iron don't touch. Here I took a little C-clamp to make it easier to put in the water, and it also conducts electricity, so I can hook the clamps right up to the C-clamp. Got some Arm & Hammer laundry booster. You want to use a half a cup to every 5 gallons of water. And I'm just going to dump that right in there, and we're going to fill her up. So you want to put the Dutch oven in there, making sure that it does not touch the steel sacrificial plate that you put in there. Make sure it's good and sturdy. Got me a battery charger that is unplugged right now, and I've got it set to 2 amps. It has to be a manual charger. An automatic one will not work. So I'm going to hook the positive clamp up to the sacrificial piece of steel, and the negative clamp will be hooked to the cast iron Dutch oven. Now we plug in our charger. You want to make sure you do all of that unplugged first. There she's bubbling away. As my buddy Jeffrey says, let's do this. This is after about 4 hours.
Oh,
I'm
hell,
going to pull
dude.
it out. Wow, look at that.
Are you
I'm going to pull it
serious?
out, and I'm going to rinse it off. And then I'm going to turn it around so that the inside of the Dutch oven is facing the piece of steel that I put in there. Now it's back in there, and look at it go. Wow. Rinse it off again.
All right, that's good. Now let me get that over there.
I don't know what that is.
Well, it's still got a bunch to do. I tell you what.
Now that I got it cleaned up, I did notice a crack in it, but I'm still going to use it. Shine it up a little. It can take some more seasoning, that's for sure. I got it hot, put a little oil on it, and we'll do this a few more times. Well, we're definitely going to season that up a few more times. I don't think it came out too bad. Not bad for a $10 investment. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and we're going to get back to cooking. Next video, we might cook up something in this old Dutch oven. Take care.